Hey, it's Stukulele from Mullum. Today we're going to play my version of Dean Martin's version of the song Sway in D minor. It's nice to be able to wear my suit for these things, but in Mullumbimby it gets a little bit steamy, a little bit hot, so forgive me if I perspire. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. When the marimba rhythms start to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me, stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Sway me smooth, sway me now. If you would like to see more of these videos, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you never miss a lesson. Very simple chords today. G diminished 7. First finger, first fret, third string. Second finger, first fret, first string. A7, easy. First finger, first fret, third string. C chord, we all know the C chord. It's the third finger, third fret, first string. And F, of course, first finger, first fret, second string, third finger, second fret, fourth string. Then to do the D minor, we're going to add our third finger onto the second fret of the third string, in between those two. The neighbours are making some noise. And the only other one, which is a bit of a favourite chord for everyone, is the B flat. Here comes a car. We're going to use our first finger to flatten the first two strings, like so. Pinching, like so. And then we're going to take our second finger, second fret, third string, and our third finger, third fret, fourth string. There we go. B flat. Sounds like this. One of the techniques I'm using today is It's like a rasguero, a Spanish technique. First finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Speed it up. And we finish with a mute. So the flesh of our hand comes down onto the strings. The last one is just your finger and you follow through and land. First finger, second finger, third finger, fourth, and land. Rasguero with a mute. Gives it that Spanish feel. The simple version of the strumming pattern is like so. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up. If you'd like to give it a little bit more spice, you could use a chuck stroke, and that would sound a bit like this. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. Rasguero with a mute. Here's some little variations. Down, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, down, chuck, up. Rasguero with a mute. A big hello to all of our patrons on our Patreon page, which is patreon.com/ukemullum. Any spare change you can afford will help me to keep making these videos and the Uke Night monthly songbooks. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.